Hey everyone, I hope you're all having an amazing day. Today, we're diving into the symptoms of bad piston rings. Piston rings play a crucial role in your engine by preventing combustion gases from escaping into the crankcase, transferring heat from the pistons to the cylinder walls, scraping off excess oil while providing proper lubrication. These rings are coiled around the pistons inside the engine block, and when they wear out, problems arise. The first symptoms is poor engine performance. One of the first signs is your car feeling sluggish. Faulty piston rings cause a loss of compression in the engine. Without proper compression, the pistons can't efficiently compress the air-fuel mixture, leading to reduced power. If your car has been underperforming lately, this might be why. The second symptoms is hard starts. Bad piston rings can make starting your car a challenge. With a loss of compression power, the engine struggles to ignite the air-fuel mixture, resulting in starting issues. The third symptoms is excessive exhaust smoke. If you notice thick gray or blue smoke coming from your exhaust, it's a sign that oil is leaking into the combustion chamber. Worn-out piston rings allow oil to seep in, where it burns during combustion, producing noticeable smoke. The fourth symptoms is loss of oil. A drop in oil levels without any visible leaks could also point to bad piston rings. When oil escapes into the combustion chamber and burns off, it isn't being reused, causing your oil to deplete quickly. The fifth symptoms is oil-fouled spark plugs. If you've ever replaced spark plugs and found oil caked on the electrodes, that's a clear sign of defective piston rings. The oil leaks into the combustion chamber, burns, and leaves deposits on the spark plugs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.